Thank you, Jerome. Two sporting events welcomed the fans this past weekend, with the Gibson McCook Relays approved for 10,000 attendees and the Jamaica Premier League getting the green light to welcome 1,300 spectators. But as Jordan Fort reports, system glitches marred the experience for some fans.
Fans of Mount Pleasant Football Academy thought they would finally get to see their team play in person at the weekend as the Jamaica Premier League moved to their home ground in Dancehall St. Anne. The only caveat, they had to show proof of vaccination. But some were left to get creative and seek a bird's eye view outside the venue, even though they say they met the requirements.
For overseas, man, I'm a good card, man. I come with my money, man, everything, man. I'm ID, everything, man, I can't go in. The system corrupt. Because they must have gone online, I will go online, and we still can't get through. You understand? Waste of time with $1,000 them lose. You understand? They just come with them card and everything, you understand? Come with the card, and your ID, and you pay $1,000, and you get a banner, you're going. So you see the same $1,000, I drink out and smoke out, so you see them lose it. You understand what I mean?
And this fan wasn't alone.
Couldn't get tickets. I sent in well, they have a platform, WhatsApp platform where they say you send in your vaccination card along with your ID, and then they go get verification from the JFF. And waiting for approval until nothing came. And then I came to the venue on match day, which is today. Sent in did the same thing that they said I should do on the WhatsApp with my vaccination card and ID, got approval, but still couldn't get a ticket for about 3 hours I was here.
You didn't have to be a mathematician to see that there were nowhere near the 10,000 approved spectators at the Gibson McCook Relays at the National Stadium. And even though this spectator was happy to be in attendance, he couldn't help but notice the meager numbers.
It's a great feeling, I wanted more persons to be here, but I think the issue about the online system is a great issue, and I hope that that can be addressed sometime to come for the main event of Boys and Girls Championships.
One spectator from overseas says she escaped the system issues.
I went through a contact to purchase a ticket online. I had finish line tickets, but you see the rain, I'm up here at the grandstand. However, the stadium is not filled. I think we have probably about 500 folks here. So I think we could do better next time.
Meanwhile, some vendors were among those left on the outside looking in at Dancehall.
Big snacks truck put up in there, so why we the small vendor can be in there? Mr. Michael, you just cut out all of the small vendor. No need for reconsider us.
Well, I feel really cut up over it, brother. We can't believe what they do with this. We make tush in the bush, run away be a comedy. Yeah, we make them be the great comedy. We are selling from saltfish and shingle out stop, and now they kick we out of the game for bringing this big truck.
From his perch overlooking the complex in St. Anne, this fan is making a simple suggestion. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.